In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a signature in Hostinger email step by step so you can add a professional touch to every email you send. A good email signature helps you look more credible, makes it easy for people to contact you, and can even include your website, social links, or company logo. If this tutorial helps, make sure you hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, log into your Hostinger account and open Webmail. This is where you'll manage your email settings and create your email signature. Once Webmail is open, look for the settings icon, usually shown as a gear or cogwheel, and click it. This is the area where all of your email preferences are stored. After that, click on All Settings. This opens the full settings menu, which gives you access to more detailed options. From here, look at the left-hand menu and find Signature. Click on Signature to start editing your email signature. Now you can enter your signature details. This is where you can type your name, job title, business name, phone number, website, or any other contact information you want to include. You can also add links, and if your email editor supports it, you may even be able to add a logo or formatted text to make it look more polished. Keep your signature clean and professional so it's easy to read on both desktop and mobile devices. If you're creating a signature for business use, a simple format usually works best. For example, you can include your full name on the first line, your role on the second line, your company or website on the third line, and then add a phone number or email address below that. If you want, you can also add a short call to action like visiting your website or booking a consultation. Just make sure everything is accurate and not too cluttered. Once you're happy with your signature, click Save. This is an important step because if you don't save your changes, the signature won't be applied to your emails. After saving, your Hostinger email signature should now be ready to use whenever you compose a new message or reply to someone. To check that everything looks correct, go back to your inbox and start a new email. Look at the message editor and confirm that your signature appears properly. If you need to make changes later, you can return to the signature settings at any time and update the text, links, or formatting. And that's it. You've now learned how to create a signature in Hostinger email. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference in how professional your emails look. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.